Klase po yan ng wakim-wakim. Nagpa-practice kayo noon.
Yan.
What's up? You gonna throw up? You can be honest.
No.
Just drink water. You okay?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. What?
Seem okay.
Why?
Just to come in here randomly and sit down and... You're good?
Yeah, of course, I'm good.
What's on your mind? Voila.
You can go. But
You need time?
I'm fine.
You can throw up.
Later.
But why can't I be happy for you? You gave me
Di nagtagal, bumalik na rin ang ilang housemates sa loob ng bahay.
Eto ba babalik ba
Your
ito
bugbog bird. Your bugbog bird.
Sana sa'yo na yan. Kaya nga, pit na pit sa akin na eh.
Habang sa living room ay magkasamang nagpapahinga sina Lou at Andre.
Is it back?
No, it's good.
It's full of products.
Wow. You know, I've had like 3 products in it.
Yeah.
So, if you want, you can. It's not my fault. It's okay.
It's okay. Go sleep. Go sleep.
Straight up. Yeah.
But no, it's bad.
That's good.
Okay.
I'm like, perfect.
It's a good thing.
Yung
Bakit?
Wala.
He did with his head.
Ay, nakita. Gusto mo makita.
Busog na ako.
But why can't I be happy for you?
Yan. Okay. So I'm on 4.
Okay.
You are good.
You gave me
Arigatou
to walk away from you. But the problem is I love too much. And I can't seem to let go of you.
Maya-maya ay pumasok din ng girls' bedroom si Abby at kinausap si Mitch.
Siyempre, di ba, kunin to kasi na umamin siya sa akin. Tapos, kapal ang mukha mo, lalandi ka pa sa harapan ko. Andun silang yun nag-uusap sila dalawa na sobrang close. Hindi ko din man.
Kasi feeling ko wala namang masama sa bagay. May inamin kasi siyang ganun. Pero sa akin, para sa akin syempre friend ko kayo parehas si Lud ni Andre ka. Parehas naman silang single, parang wala namang masama.
Oo nga, yun nga. Totoo naman.
Huwag mo na lang isipin, be.
Ayoko rin isipin. Ayoko.
Malaloka ka lang, promise.
Wala, kaya mo. Ewan ko. Wala.
Charot. Hayaan mo na lang, be.
Oo, talaga.
Like, huwag sumama yung loob mo sa akin, ha?
Ay, hindi.
Sinabi ko lang yung opinion ko din. Kasi syempre, friend ko rin silang dalawa. Isipin mo na lang ngayon ay happy tayong lahat. Oh, enjoy lang. Tsaka syempre, may naghihintay sa'yo basta na buwan.
Oo naman.
Bakit? She shouldn't be.
She has a boyfriend.
But why? Yes, why?
I think we all know why.